Hello YouTube and welcome to another short Techsloth video. I got here the brand new designer Bluetooth desktop. Microsoft ran out of words to describe their new Bluetooth wireless mouse and keyboard combination. So we got here low profile design, built-in number pad mouse with Bluetooth technology. And this combination here is thought to work combined with the brand new Dell XPS. The XPS 13 here is for on the go for a friend. He will use it a lot on the go, but at home he will put it, combine it with an external monitor via display port, and then he needs another keyboard and another mouse to operate the device. And normally there's a whole bunch of wireless wireless keyboards from Microsoft and Logitech, for example, but all of them got those tiny nano USB receivers, and if you got a laptop with only two USB ports like the XPS 13 here, you don't want to waste one of those USB ports for this wireless transceiver or receiver. And Bluetooth is the way to go. Apple knows this because for years, I mean almost 10 years at least, Apple got their wireless keyboard and mouse combination, Magic Mouse for example here, which works via Bluetooth. So Apple got this, but no one really else. Yes, there were always some third-party solutions and all the stuff, but finally Microsoft has designed a new bundle, keyboard and mouse with Bluetooth, and as we know from the Big Bang Theory, everything is better with Bluetooth. As you can see, it's ready for Windows 10, so it got all the new keys. On the back side, we got this short instruction here about the device. Bluetooth 4.0, low profile, full-size desktop keyboard with built-in number pad, media keys for music and video control, mouse also 4.0, Bluetooth technology, compact for portability, designed for suitable use with either hand. So it doesn't matter if you're left or right. So we got an actual size picture on the back of the cover, which let us assume that the mouse is a little bit higher than the Apple Magic Mouse, and the keyboard should be a whole bunch shorter than, for example, an Apple wireless keyboard. They're at least 1 centimeter shorter. So let's open it up, and nice red design. And there we go. So nice red packaging. We got the mouse. I've already inserted the battery to give you an idea of the weight, and because I've already filmed the German version of this video. And we got the keyboard. And underneath the keyboard we got two more batteries. There's a good AAA batteries from Duracell. Two of them are already in the mouse, and the other two are for the keyboard. And we got a bunch of papers and nothing more in the box, which is really nice designed with this red inlay. It feels a little bit reminded on Amazon Fire products. So we got some instruction, not really instructions, just informations. We got the warranty guide and some technical product guide thingies, which no one really will ever read. And of course we got our quick starter guide, which only tells us how to put the batteries into the mouse and the keyboard, how to turn or how to switch Bluetooth on, and how to combine them with your PC or even your Mac, doesn't matter. So now, first impression, what do we do first? Let's do the keyboard first, it's a bigger one. Start with the bigger one. You can't change the typing angle. No, this is fixed. You can't change it. You got one angle fits all, like on an Apple wireless keyboard. And now for typing, it's a chiclet design. It's a full keyboard with number pad, and typing feels really nice, definitely. Of course, a wireless Apple keyboard is something else. It feels differently, but nice feeling here. Definitely nice feeling, and it does not bend. No bending here. On top we got this whole volume control, we got pause and play, brightness control, some extra buttons here, some Windows buttons, we got the number pad, we got enter, delete and all the stuff. But definitely feels Nice keyboard. And I know a lot of people are always wondering why Apple is only doing the wireless version of this one without the number pad, and the keyboard with the number pad is still a cable version. This is one thing I'm really missing, and this will work also with your MacBook, or with your Mac. So maybe if you want to use a wireless version, maybe this new design thing from Microsoft is something for you. But now let's talk. No, first of all, let's compare this quick with the keyboard on the Dell XPS. I mean, this is the one you will always compare it to, and it's always also a chiclet. It feels a little bit differently, yes, but they feel very, very close. They look just size comparison, so that you can compare numbers and the letter size. Yes, the Microsoft keyboard is a little bit brighter, or a little bit wider and a little bit bigger, but of course compared, they look the same. You don't get a background lighting for the keys on the Microsoft keyboard, but typing on both feels similar. So this is a nice combination in my opinion. If you are okay with the one angle fits all, then this is a nice combination. But now what about the mouse? The mouse is slim. The batteries are already in there, so we got the final weight, and this is still really light. Of course, this is a polycarbonate or plastic mouse. It definitely feels cheaper and lighter than, for example, the aluminum Apple Magic mouse, which feels on first thought maybe twice, maybe third times the weight, but I would say assume it's only 1.6, 1.7 times the weight. But what about the mouse? Okay, nice clicking. It's a soft clicking. You can't really push the buttons really far in. Just compare it here, maybe 3, maybe 4 millimeter, but I would say it's only 3, maybe even just 2 millimeters on both sides. Clicking feels really smooth. What about the wheel? We got the third mouse button underneath the wheel, so clicking the wheel is your third button. And of course scrolling, we don't have here continuous scrolling. We got this scrolling with this tiny little resistance every millimeter, so you can do this click, 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 and you can hear it. And this is nice. So this is a nice thing if you want this resistance while you're scrolling. This is nothing for you if you're this endless scrolling, smooth scrolling guy type of person. What about holding it in my hand? There's enough room. There's always room. I've got the same, not problem, but it's a different thing holding such a flat mouse in your hands than just, for example, a bigger mouse from Logitech or Microsoft mouse or some gaming mices. Feels nice. But not nice. I mean, you hold the mouse differently. There's always so much space between the mouse and your hand and your fingers. And on the Microsoft mouse, it's the same. It's not that much room. I'm just reflex. Out of reflex, I'm holding the mouse a little bit differently here than the Magic Mouse. But there's still, your fingers are not flat on the mouse. And if you do this, your palm will rest on the table, and you will always have to scrub with your palm over the desk. The other possibility is just lift your fingers, lift your palm, and then hover with your whole hand over the desk. But first impression, nice. If you really if you are a fan of the Apple combination of mouse and keyboard, and you can imagine yourself living without the aluminium build quality, then maybe this wireless combination from Microsoft is a possibility for you to try something new. There's no backlight lighting, but you get this number pad integrated in this wireless combination, and this is nice. Of course, I still think this is a nice combination of look and feeling with the Dell XPS 13. And of course, someone could also use the Apple keyboard and mouse with the Dell. Both are with Bluetooth, no problems here. But then you don't get the number pad and you don't get the extra Windows buttons. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video. Bye.